Yes, welcome to this class. We are on exam guide section, and we have this question that says, find the gradient of the curve y equals to 5x cubed at point 2 and 5. They are looking for the gradient of the curve at the point with coordinates 2 and 5. What does it mean looking for the gradient? They want us to find the steepness of this curve at the point 2 and 5. Whether it is very steep or it is not that steep. That is the meaning of gradient. It is just the measure of steepness of a given line or a curve. So for us to be in position to get the gradient of the curve at that point, we need to first start by getting the gradient function of the curve. And the gradient function of the curve means we need to differentiate the given function of the curve. So if we are differentiating this, we shall say dy dx equals to, if you are differentiating 5x cubed, first of all we need to lower the power. That means to give us 5 times 3. And then x power 3 subtract 1. So we lower the power, and then to get the new power, we subtract 1 from the old power. Here we shall have now dy dx. This one is an operator equals to 15x squared. This is the gradient function of the curve. Now for us to get the gradient of this curve at this point, so we shall just say at point 2 and 5, this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So if we are getting the gradient here, we shall just say that the gradient just becomes dy out of dx, but at the point when x equals to 2. This would imply that the gradient now becomes, what is dy dx, and we are substituting for 2 in that manner. Dy dx is here, it is 15 times x squared. X is now 2 squared. This gives us 15 times 4. This gives us 60. So the gradient of this curve at the given point 2 and 5 is therefore 60. Thank you.